East Bakersfield with what you should know as you make holiday travel plans. Austin?
Jess, the announcement comes as California passed its 1 millionth COVID case on Thursday. That's one of many reasons why California officials are asking its residents to refrain from any non-essential travel.
They are advising us to stay home. As difficult as that is, to stay home and not travel, even within our own state.
The state's new travel advisory, announced Friday, asks for anyone coming in or out of the state of California to quarantine for 14 days after arrival. Californians are also encouraged to stay home or in their region and avoid non-essential travel to other states or countries.
This is an advisory. They are suggesting this to protect our health and slow the spread of COVID-19.
The new travel advisory also comes as Kern County faces the potential of regressing into the state's more restrictive purple tier next Friday. Corson says the regression results from cases rising and still not being helped by the so-called penalty that the state is implementing on counties whose COVID testing rates are below the state's average testing rates. Corson says Kern has raised its testing rates, but meeting the state average is a tall order.
All these counties are working very hard to do the same thing that Kern County is doing. Therefore, the state average continues to rise, and we are chasing that.
Kern County continues to see an uptick in COVID cases. In October, public health data showed there was an average of about 72 local cases per day, whereas in November, that number has increased to about 113. Public health has expressed concern that Thanksgiving gatherings may exacerbate the uptick. That's why Corson says it's essential to stay vigilant.
And especially those that are elderly and vulnerable and at risk for severe disease, to really adhere to these proposed advisories and guidelines.
Now, this comes as the U.S. continues to see a surge in COVID cases. Both the states of Oregon and Washington are joining California in implementing this new advisory. Outside Kern County Public Health Headquarters, Austin Westfall, 23 ABC, connecting you.